Hello guys, welcome back to Outdoors Gunner YouTube channel. It's going to be the first hunt of the 2026 season in Ohio. It's going to be the youth hunt. And we got the truck all loaded up. Guns underneath the seat there. And we got totes, hunting stuff. We got Raven. Not going to bring her, but we got her. Oh, Raven. Hey girl. She's been putting some work on the sheds. But yeah, I'm extremely pumped. I've been waiting on this day for a little while now. So yeah, hopefully I can get it done. So yeah. Alright guys, we just got to camp. We're out there trying to see if a coyote can howl. And I'll get back with you guys in the morning. But for now, probably about to head to sleep. So yeah, see where we're at in the morning.
That's a hen.
No, it's okay. There's 5 of them. Just we got plenty to choose from.
There's a jake right there, I think. Yeah, that second one's a jake.
Shoot the first one you want to.
All three. Three's a jake.
All 3 are jakes.
Yeah. Which one you gonna take?
I can't see him yet. You can't see him yet. Oh, fuck. Okay. First one's in. Watch your barrel. Make sure you're pointing the right direction. Wait until the jakes come. Then pick one.
They're all jakes.
They're all jakes.
A lot of them, yes.
Miss. Do you see him? Go slow. Slow. Shoot him.
Attaboy!